Hi all, welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. Hope everyone is well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some synonyms for a very common word, that is walk. We use this word frequently, but it doesn't look good to use the same word again and again in your spoken or in your written English. So to improvise yourself, you should use some synonyms. And if you don't know the synonyms for walk, this video is for you. So let's get started. But let me tell you that if you are new to my channel, this channel is for you if you are interested in English phonics, English grammar, English spelling rules, English vocabulary, and above all, how to teach all this stuff to your little ones. So it's the right time to subscribe the channel, turn on the bell notifications, and without any further ado, let's dive in. Let's first talk about the word walk itself. We use the word walk if the destination is known. It means that you know that where somebody is going to or where something has been sent, right? For example, I'm walking to the park. It means walking to the park. It's known now, right? Or you can walk to the market in 10 minutes. Now again, we are using walk, but the destination is market. So in these types of sentences, walk is a perfect word to use. But what if you don't know the destination? You are just out of your home and just walking here and there. How would you say this word? So if you are walking aimlessly, if you are just moving here and there without any reason, or you are having a leisurely walk, the right word to use here is stroll, not walk. And if you want to use this in a sentence, so look at here. We have been strolling in the streets for an hour. Let's get back to home. It means that we are just wandering, we are roaming around. We do not have any specific purpose why we are doing this, but it's just for the sake of leisure, or we are just enjoying ourselves. That's it. Here we have another word that we can use for walk, and it is wander. I will say or after W. So this is not wander, it's wander. The meaning of wander is same as a stroll, like leisurely walking or walking aimlessly. For example, he was wandering in the forest when he noticed something weird across the bushes. He was wandering in the forest. It means that he was walking aimlessly there, right? We could have used the word walk here, but again, when we have a good word and we can use a synonym for walk, then why not use this word? Another word for walk could be roam. It is similar to wander, to go from place to place without any purpose or direction, or simply say walk aimlessly. In the sentence, you can see it like this. The cattle were roaming in the field, or you don't need to roam around the world to find happiness. It comes from within. So now you have got another word for the word walk. Try to use this in your spoken and written English. The word limp is also used for walk, but how to walk? If you are walking with difficulty, especially because of some injury or stiff leg or foot. For example, the poor dog was limping because of his broken leg. Or somebody can ask, why are you limping, Ria? My left foot has got numb. Numb means to lose the sensation, okay? Or frozen leg, you can say it like this. So my left foot has got numb. That's why I'm limping. So now in place of saying that somebody is walking with difficulty or he has some problem in his leg, you can simply use the word limp, that he is limping. It means walking with difficulty. Here is another word that you can use in place of walk, and this is tiptoe. If you are walking quietly, if you are walking carefully, so nobody would notice you or you don't want to disturb anyone, then you can use this word for walk. Tiptoe means to walk quietly on toes with raised heels, okay? You are just walking with the front of your foot. He tiptoed to the kitchen at night to grab some chocolates. Why he tiptoed? because everyone else was sleeping or he had the fear to be caught by the mother, so he tiptoed. Second example, let's tiptoe to the car park. Nobody should notice you. Once again, you are going to do something secretly or carefully or quietly. That's why you are walking on your toes, and this is called tiptoe. And last but not the least, here is the word stagger that we can use for walk, but when somebody is moving unsteadily or you think that he is about to fall, right? It could be due to some illness and it could be due to something else, like a person could be drunk and he is staggering on the streets, right? So for example, the sentences are, hold that old man, he is staggering. Okay, I was going back to my home at night when I saw a man staggering on the road. So this word stagger is now giving you the meaning of walk, but how to walk? Walk in an unsteady manner. Somebody is not walking straight, he is a little loopy, right? So that's all. This is the end of today's video. I hope you have got something useful from this. If yes, so please hit the like button. If haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I shall see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to write any other word if you have for walk. Make it a great day. Bye.